Hey guys, Dave here from Cook and Share. Believe me, this is the kind of dish you make when you want comfort food without the cleanup. One skillet, big flavor, and totally satisfying. We're talking ground beef, tender rice, melty cheese, and just the right touch of spice. Yes, today we're making a Mexican-style ground beef and rice skillet, so let's get into it. So first off, I'm going to throw a pound of medium ground beef into a pan over medium-high heat. Grab up the old spoon and we'll just kind of break this up a little bit. Now, like I said, I'm using a medium ground beef, so we might have to drain this. I'm not too sure. And actually, once we do get frying this up, it doesn't look too bad, so I don't think we're going to have to give this a drain at all. So we're just going to go ahead and fry this up until it's basically cooked through and browned. After a few minutes, looking pretty good to me, so I'm just going to move everything to one side here. Then go in with a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And like I say in most of my videos, we'll just stir and saute this for a couple of minutes until that wonderful aroma of onion garlic fill the air. And then of course give it the old mix-a-rooney together, and man oh man, this is smelling so good, my friends. Next up, I'm going to add in 1 cup of washed and drained uncooked rice. And this is long grain, but use a rice of your choice. And we'll just give this a quick stir around, a little cook here. Then in we go with a medium can of stewed Italian tomatoes. Follow that up with another medium can of drained and rinsed black beans. A can of good old sweet corn, of course this is drained. A 1/4 cup of mixed hot banana peppers. Now a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And we'll just go ahead and dump this in, and of course you can adjust the seasoning accordingly. If you want things a little more cumin-y, go ahead and dump in more. It's entirely up to you. Once again, grab up the old spoon and toss and mix everything together. And oh man, this is beginning to look and smell absolutely incredible, guys. Now for our liquid, which is going to be 2 cups of the good old chicken stock. You could probably get away with vegetable too. Okay, we're simply going to bring this to a boil or boil. Lower the heat, slip a lid on, and let this simmer away for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, it's cooked through and the rice is done. And just look at this, guys. Absolute perfection. It doesn't get any more Mexican-y or any better. Lift this up and what can I say but wow, I think this is going to be so good. But the great thing is we ain't done yet, because I'm going to go over the top with 2 cups of grated Tex-Mex, just to give it that cheesy effect that I promised you. Not to mention Mexican-like, Tex-Mex, combination of Texas and Mexican, I think. But anyway, you can also use the cheese of your choice. And then of course I'm going to slip the lid back on, let this simmer away for another couple of minutes until that cheese melts down. And there you have it, guys. Voila, it is pretty much done. And I'm going to grab this up with the old spoon once again, and it is even looking and smelling better than before. What more can I say? And there you have it, my friends, our Mexican-style ground beef skillet. I think everything you'd ever want and more. Of course, we simply have to plate this up. And I don't know about you, but I is getting hungry. Of course, we have to garnish this up with a little bit of chopped cilantro. And we are done and ready to dig in. And guys, you bite into this. It is absolutely spectacular. Little bit of heat, Mexican-like, the rice, the beans, everything you would ever want. And if you do make this up, leave us a comment, because I love to read them. And most of all, like, because it helps the channel out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.